met my semester goals well because I met the goal for putting down decimal points in the right place. Because, because I did an assignment about it, and I did it all on my own without any help. This assignment was about a girl at a carnival, and she had to find where the pup area was. What I had to do on this assignment was multiply and divide decimals. This was a goal that I wanted to achieve because I want to be a better person at doing math, especially when it comes to dealing with decimals. The goals that was most important to me was learning more on how to multiply and divide decimals. This goal was most important to me because months ago I didn't know how to multiply or divide decimals. But now I have practiced a lot, and now I know more on how to multiply and divide decimals. I can also use this in the real world because I can use it to deal with money. I will continue practicing multiplying and dividing decimals since I can use many different types of resources. A new goal I have is that I want to practice on my anger issues. I want to work on my anger issues because I get angry easily over some jokes. A new goal in education is that I want to pay more attention in class since in class I cannot really focus on the assignment I'm working on. I want to do both of these developments because I had these problems since I was little.
Go.
Some specific steps I will take in the next semester is that I will make sure I can finish all of my goals since they're all important to me. A goal that I really want to do is that I want to stop having anger issues because I get angry too easily. Another goal that I want to do is that I want to be a better person with compounds with interest since I am a little bit new to the formula of it. I want to do these two goals because these are the most important to me since I really do need to focus on these both. I have changed over the semester by getting better at multiplying and dividing decimals. I got better at multiplying and dividing decimals by practicing and taking down notes in case I have an assignment or quiz on this type of topic. At the beginning of the year, I was very horrible at math. Math was a little bit hard for me to understand at times, and other times it was also only a little bit easy to understand. Before, I did not take any notes for math, but now I take notes for math, so then I can easily understand them. I can reread them. If I can't understand the quiz, if I can't understand a quiz, I did study for some lessons. I also did take notes for math since I could use those notes for later. I did study for lessons that were hard for me to do. I also studied a lot for each lesson so that I could understand. The outside activity that helped me through the semester is by meditating. The difference between before and now is that before I didn't take notes for math or even study, but now I take notes and I study before I do a quiz. Things I do now that I didn't do at the start of the semester with that I don't fly through my activity pages and I study for quizzes. A math assignment I am proud of is 5.11. I am proud of this assignment because I got a good grade on it. This assignment shows my growth because I am learning on how to be better at doing many different assignments. This assignment showed all my hard work because I studied before I did that assignment. This assignment is about percent increase and decrease. In the assignment, I had to compare a price with another price to check which one is a better deal to choose. I also had to multiply the amount that has been changed with 100, and then I subtract it by the original price. From this, I learned how to find a better bargain. I can also use this in the real world because in the real world there are always a bunch of sales or discounts. I think this assignment was helpful for my academic goal because I may be able to use this to help me later on. In order for me to get this exact price, first I had to get $30 and turn into 0.30, and now I have to get 45 and multiply it with 0.30. By multiplying these, I got 13.50. But then now I have to subtract 13.50 by 45, which gives me the price of $31.50. My name is Kempton, and thank you for watching my math presentation, and I hope you have a nice day.